In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. Start by heading into ClickUp and choosing the space where your work lives. Picking the right space matters because it controls which folders, lists, and tasks you'll see. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen and open the View menu. This is where you switch how your project is displayed so you can plan more visually. From the available options, select Chart. This opens a timeline or Gantt-style layout that places each task on a horizontal bar based on its start and due dates. It's the ideal place to make scheduled changes because you can see how everything lines up across your project. Before you make any adjustments, set up the tasks and baseline. Make sure the chart is showing the correct location in your hierarchy and that relevant lists are included. If needed, apply filters for status, assignee, or date range so you're focusing on just the work you want to update. Confirm that tasks have start and due dates. If any are missing, add them so they appear correctly on the chart. Now capture a baseline. A baseline records the current dates as your official plan. Later, if schedules slip or accelerate, the baseline lets you compare the original plan to the new one and see exactly how much changed. To remap due dates, click and drag the edge of a taskbar to extend or shorten its duration, or drag the entire bar left or right to shift both its start and due dates at once. If tasks are connected with dependencies, you may be prompted to shift downstream work too. Accept that when it makes sense to keep your timeline aligned. As you make changes, the baseline overlay helps you track variance so you can spot where you're ahead or behind. To reassign tasks, select a task on the chart to open its details, then change the assignee. If you're handing off several items, select multiple tasks and update the assignee in one go. As you reassign, keep an eye on balance. Spreading work across your team helps avoid bottlenecks and keeps delivery on track. When everything looks right, review your chart at a weekly or sprint cadence. The combination of a clear timeline, a reliable baseline, and quick drag-and-drop updates makes ongoing rescheduling fast and transparent. That's all you need to confidently remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp while keeping your plan accurate and your team aligned.